In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then hit Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like Camera. Now tap on one of your apps and click on one of those options to apply the best one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. You can also select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, and instead of picking one of those options, select the All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!